Christmas is always a wonderful time to brighten up your home with festive light displays. Whether you're going for a simple setup or one that would make Clark Griswold jealous, here are some great tips to help you create a dazzling holiday atmosphere. Tip number 1. Order early. Holiday lights are available year-round, and many professional installers consistently order in bulk well ahead of the season. This is why you should always plan and order early. It guarantees you will be able to find what you need easily. Tip number 2. Measure. Knowing how many feet of lights are needed to cover each section of your house is important. Measure everything, from roof lines to windows to columns. You should also measure the distances to the nearest outlets. We recommend diagramming your measurements so you can quickly refer to them as needed. Tip number 3. Test before decorating. Avoid last-minute surprises by testing your lights, both new and old, before putting them up. Testing helps you find bad wires, burned-out bulbs, and bad fuses ahead of time. Tip number 4. Use bulk wire. Bulk wire is the secret weapon of professional light installers everywhere. Aside from building custom light strings, this versatile wire can be used to create custom extensions that seamlessly blend away into the background. Tip number 5. Polish your look with light clips. Curious about how professionals achieve perfectly straight and evenly spaced holiday lights? They rely on Christmas light clips. These mounting clips attach effortlessly to gutters, shingles, and ridge lines, making installation quicker and keeping your lights looking neat and tidy. Tip number 6. Timing is everything. Once your lights are installed, automate them with timers. Simply set your on and off times, and your lights are ready to go. Ready to start planning? 1000 Bulbs is your one-stop shop for all your Christmas lighting needs. From mini light strings to spools, replacement bulbs, and beyond, we have it all. Get free shipping on all orders of $500 or more. And if you're placing a large order, call for bulk pricing. Call 855-948-5079 to speak with one of our lighting experts, or visit us online at 1000bulbs.com.